Hello there, mathematicians. We are going to now discuss the base and height of triangles. I can identify the base given the height of a triangle, and I can identify the height given the base of a triangle. So what is the base of an object? Well, the base of an object is the side or face on which the object is lying. So if we look at this present here, the base would be the bottom of the present. If we look at this coin wrapper, the base is this underneath part that's resting. And if we look at this parallelogram, the base is this bottom part right here. Well, when we're talking about the base of the triangle, believe it or not, the triangle can have lots of different bases. So any side can be the base. In this first part, the base is line segment BC. But if we rotate the triangle, we can say that the base is line segment CA. And if we rotate the triangle again, we could say that the base of the triangle is AB. So really we can say that any side of the triangle is its base. But here's the really important piece. The height of a triangle has to be perpendicular, 90 degrees, 90-degree angle. The height has to be perpendicular to whichever base you choose. So if we look at this first triangle here, we see that the base is length BD. That's our BC, I'm sorry. BC is the base of this first triangle. Well, where's the perpendicular symbol? Here it is. I'm going to extend it so it goes through two lines. The two lines that the perpendicular symbol goes through, that's our height. So our height for this triangle would be AD, okay? The height has to be perpendicular to the base. Well, let's take a look at this second triangle. What if, instead of saying that the base is BC, what if we said that the base is AC? Remember, for triangles, any side can be its base. Well, for the height, it has to be perpendicular. So I'm going to extend my perpendicular sign, and I'm going to see which two lines did it go through. Well, we said that the base was AC, and if the height is perpendicular to that, that means this is the height. The height is EB. All right, but then what if we change it up again? What if we say that the base of this triangle is AB? If that's our base and our height has to be perpendicular, where's that perpendicular symbol? Let's extend it. Which two lines did it go through? Which two lines? Well, the base was AB, and the height would have to be FC. So the height has to be perpendicular to the base, even if that's not a line that the triangle had to begin with. All right, here we have some examples where the height doesn't even go through the triangle. In order for the height to be perpendicular, we had to extend the base a little bit further so that it could be perpendicular. So if our base here in this triangle is the bottom here, and let's give it a symbol. Let's give it a Q. So if that is our base, so let's say the base is QR. Believe it or not, the height is not RP because that is not perpendicular. The height is perpendicular over here to the base. So the height would be SP. Well, now if we look at this second triangle, we see that the base is RP. Okay, they're telling us that that's the base. RQ is not the height. The height has to be perpendicular. Where is that perpendicular symbol? It's all the way over here. We had to extend the base, and our height is actually QT. And if we look over here in our last one, the base they're telling us is QP. All right, well, if that's the base, the height has to be perpendicular. Where's that perpendicular symbol? Here it is, and the height is UR. So remember, in order to find the height, always look for the line that is perpendicular to its base.